We are done. I'm done with my part anyways. Welcome to SC Custom Designs. So, do not be concerned that I have no shoes on. I just feel a little warm right now. Okay. So this is the sleigh bed. It is very comfortable. And that's without the fabric covering all of the slats. So you can't really see it from there, but there is a contour that's going on that's going to fit the curve of our backs and support our heads. This seat, this little bench, is approximately where we would be. Let's get that out. Lying in bed. So there you go. Very happy about being done with this part. The sad thing about any project is that, well, you're done with it and you've been working on it for a while and you got to move on to another project. I have plenty more of those. All right, so I hope you enjoyed at least this part of making the backboard sleigh bed. Next, it's going to go up into the lovely one's sewing room where she's going to now cover it with fabric. So she has talked about fabric and buttons and this and that and the other. So I don't know what any of that means. And thank God I don't have to do that because I don't know how. So it's been a lot of fun making this. The most challenging part of the unit was making the side posts because they're like, mind you, the lovely one designed the template for that. So look up the whole series, and we're not done with the series yet. So I can't wait to see and wait to show you the next steps for finishing up the unit. Now watch this. This came as a surprise to me. Ready? The thing stands on its own. I didn't expect that. It's like perfectly balanced. So there you go. That was like an extra benefit and a bonus. Thanks for watching. Take care. I know it's a short video, but every once in a while you need to get back some time from your life. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.